Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Also, welcome back to yet another DIY video. In today's video, I am going to show you some DIYs which are related to home decor and it looks amazing and cute and they are just useful. What I am going to use for today's DIY. As you all must have already read the title, I am using fabric pieces for my DIYs. Now, as you all know, I am a fashion designer. So, I have a lot of fabric pieces, wastage, extras or cuttings and stuff like that. I mean like they're not full size so that I can use in some clothing item, but they're not that small also that I can discard them. So I thought, why not to make some cool DIYs with these fabrics, and probably all of you must be having this kind of small pieces of fabric lying around in your house. Like me, but obviously all girls like to collect the fabric which are remaining from the tailor or anything like that. Or also, if you give something to alter, you always ask for, please भैया fabric वापस दे देना. So yeah, if you want to know how I have used these fabrics for my home decor DIYs, then please keep on watching. Now, without blabbering a lot, let's just get right into the video. So for the first one, I am taking this cream colored fabric which has a very neutral color scheme going on. Now I am taking this melamine plate which was so old and we were not using it. Now I am going to mark a circle which is of the same diameter of the plate on the fabric so that I can cut it. Now keep 2-inch margin at least when you are cutting the fabric. I know how much to keep, so I'm cutting it randomly, but if you don't know and you are doing for the first time, then please mark 2-inch diameter as well after the circle you are marking with the plate. As you can see, I've already marked and cut 2 pieces of fabric keeping together. You can take as many fabric pieces you want and cut it. Now I'm just sticking the fabric to the plate with the help of a glue gun. Now turn your plate and just make slits all over the fabrics in round so that you would not face any problem in sticking the remaining part of the fabric to the plate at the back side. Same as I am doing. Now with the help of a glue gun, I am sticking all the fabric pieces at the back side of the plate. And yeah, it's ready. we have our wall decor piece ready. I have made 3 similar. I am using this 3M tape to stick these pieces on the wall. It is very much easily available in the market, and also I'll be linking the things which I'm using and available online in the description box. Also guys, do not forget to iron all your fabrics before starting your DIYs. Now here I am taking a big cardboard for the next DIY. You can take any small cardboard or any boxes that you get from Amazon, Myntra and stuff like that. Now again I am making a big circle with the help of this plate. This one was the biggest in my house. You can take any measurements for the same thing. And now again I am marking the same circle on the fabric as well to cut it. Again, do not forget to keep some margin for the back. I am sticking the fabric to the cardboard piece I have cut with the help of a glue gun. Again, we'll be making a slits all over the fabric in circle so that we don't face the problem while sticking the fabric pieces to cardboard. Now, again, we will be sticking all these pieces that we have cut to the cardboard with the help of a glue gun. And yeah, our pin board is ready. You can use it as a pin board, or you can also stick your pictures, your to-do list. Isn't it so easy? Again, I am using this 3M tapes to stick this pin board on the wall. So for the third one, I am using this floral print cotton fabric. Now I have taken this fabric particularly for this DIY because it was small in size. So according to the fabric availability and size of the fabrics you have, you can select any fabric for any DIY or for any decor pieces. Now, this is a WPC wood that I am using. You can simply use a wooden block, mark this on the fabric, and now you know the drill. Keep some margin and cut the fabric according to the measurement. Now again we are going to stick this fabric to this wooden with the help of a glue gun. make slits on the four side again so that it would be easy to fold the fabric at the back side. Stick the fabric on the back side and cut off the excess. Now I've got this keyhole kind of thing which is easily available on any hardware shop and attached it on the back side, and these are the hooks I'm using for the key holder thing on which we will be hanging our keys. I'm dipping it in a Fevicol, make a hole on the wood and attaching it on the wood. Make it tight so that your keys will not fall off. Yeah, our key holder is ready. Now you will need a nail to hang this key holder, but it's all worth it and it looks so cute. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you want to see some more content, more DIYs, fashion stuff and all, you can head on to my channel and have a look of more DIYs. Also, I'll be linking the playlist of DIYs over here. So please do check it out. Thank you for hanging out till here. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below which one was your favorite out of these three. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.